I'm going to tell you about education. People start their school at 6, 7 years old. It's called entering in my mind map. We use this word that we go to school, we start school, we enter school, then we attend school. It means that we start visit the lessons. If you go to the university, it's called to get enrolled in a university. If you go to some courses, it's called to take a course or to take private classes. For example, I'm a teacher, and my students they take my English courses. What's happening? What's happened at school? At school, people, yeah, students can be they learn and they can be good at something. And for example, at math, at art, they can do well in class. Of course, they get good grades, and some of students can be a straight A student. Actually, I was a straight A student, and um, some students have problems at school. They do mistakes, and they get left behind or from the class, and they maybe sometimes they are criticized, they are grounded, or and there is a problem at school. It's called bullying. When group of people, or some or one guy doesn't like another guy, another student, and he starts to bully him, to to bully him. um, yes. Another problem for student is losing interests of for studying, and after that students start to skip schools, or they just slack off in school, some kind of, because it's not interesting to study at school. After school, usually uh, we finish school. We say leave school, finish school, and we go to the prom. It's a ceremony when students get the attestats in Russian, their certificates, we can say, and it's called to be if some person is not wasn't good at school, he can be expelled from school, or he can be kicked out of school. Then after school, children go to the university. They get ready for the university, for an exam. They prepare for a test, and then they take an exam. When they are successful, they pass an exam. Then they started um, to go to attend university. Uh, but some people fail their exam, and they just fail. University now. So I studied at university for 5 years, and I went to a graduation ceremony. I graduated from university when I was 22, and that our teachers gave speeches, and they delivered a graduation speech. Um, okay, and when that's it. You can be successful at school, you can be successful at the university. It's very interesting.